Greetings! Today we are taking a tour of room 4106 at the Worldmark Oceanside Resort in Oceanside, California. This is a one-bedroom unit. We're given the accessible room, so the configuration is a little bit different. You can see here that the shower has several extra grab bars as well as a seat. And here coming into the living room area, there's a little island in the middle, and this is a full kitchen, which means that we've got pots and pans, plates, utensils, a microwave, baking dishes, a full-size refrigerator, dishwasher, an oven, 4 burners. There's a washer and a dryer, and you can see that these are next to each other, and it's a front-loading machines. Here's a little closet, and notice that the hangers are lower than in the other units. Dining room table that seats 4. TV, fireplace, and there's a Murphy bed in there that we did not use. We've got a nice size couch. And we have a private balcony with a table and a barbecue grill and a great view of the basketball court and the harbor. This resort has a basketball court, a little playground for kids, tennis court, a swimming pool and a hot tub, and over there you can see the harbor, the beach, it's a great view of the beach, that's for sure. And again, over there is stores and restaurants. And all of this is within walking distance. And one thing that I loved is how close it is to the train tracks. And yes, trains pass through here day and night. I actually enjoy that. 3 trains use those same tracks: Amtrak's Pacific Surfliner, the Metrolink, and the Coaster. So it's about sunset now, and you can see that the lights of the lighthouse are on. And that's not a real lighthouse. It's actually right next to all the restaurants. but it is a fun thing to have, and it's certainly fun to look at nighttime. And another view of the beach and the parking lot. This is now the next day, and we've got a better view of the basketball court and the tennis court. The lighting is obviously a little bit better here. And there's another view of the harbor and the beach. We were on the 4th floor, and all the rooms at this resort have an ocean view. There's the tunnel that you use to get over to the harbor side. It is only a 5-minute walk from this resort to the harbor. That's where all the restaurants and shops are located. The parking lot that you see there is a public parking lot, and here comes the train again. But for some reason, it is going pretty slowly right now. This is the Metrolink, and it is heading north towards Los Angeles. And by the way, Oceanside is only 30 miles north of San Diego. Beautiful resort.